Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Petrolheads Paradise. By the surrounding and the cars you might be guessing where we exactly are, the Mercedes Classic Car Rally 2019. By the year time last year I didn't get the chance to attend the event, but in 2019 we are having a lot of cars and even more cars in the basement while we'll be shooting that as well. But currently let's have a look at the cars.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone.
Hey buddy.
Hey man, how are you? I'm fine.
Good. Good to see you.
Yeah, sahi.
Classic cars.
I was expecting to see you.
Yeah.
Maybach dekha.
Arre, Maybach kya hai man? The real 62, let's see.
Yeah.
Dude, what car we have here?
It's the Maybach 62. It's
The real
so
Maybach.
amazing.
The real
Yeah,
Maybach.
The real Maybach. It's so great, man.
I haven't
It's so
imagined that
huge.
we'll be getting the chance to see these cars.
I
This
know,
one.
right? This I guess just came out in public for the first time ever.
Yeah, exactly. Let's see what space we have inside. Oh damn! Are you serious? It's like a lanyard. This much space. It's unbelievable. And by my information, you can turn these glass into opaque and transparent with just one click of a button, man. Amazing. This is my subscriber and one of my great followers, Soham.
Great fan.
Yeah, and even he has a YouTube channel. What's your name?
It's called Tech and Lego. It's based upon technology and supercars. So
Superb.
here I am, vintage cars as well now.
Superb. What's your favorite car in the show?
The Maybach.
Good.
Straight off. And the 300 SL.
300 SL. It's only one in India, dude.
Yeah.
Nice wheels.
Thank you.
Limousine problems. Can't get through this. This is the Benz patent wagon. This was first made in 1885 and this was the first car in the world. There's too much rush at this place, so in spite of vlogging between the people, let's show you some cars.
Association, Mr. Nitin Dosa, the editor-in-chief, Saurabh, and the curator of the Mercedes-Benz.
So we have got on the BKC. There was very less time to shoot inside and too much rush. While the rally has just started right now and the cars will be coming. The police car has just arrived and we'll be able to see the 300 SL in the beginning. With the G350D and the 300 SL in the beginning.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when
That was insane, bro.
Please don't talk about if you can.
The rallies just got finished and we are back on the same place, and there's a car driving and all of the cars are being placed in the exact same manner. What an amazing arrangement of the cars. Very good. Dude, just now I've got some information that there's a Mercedes with a 2JZ engine in the basement. Dude, each and every car in this parking lot is only and only Mercedes-Benz. But while viewing all of these cars, one car took my all attention, which is this one, the old E-Class. It's with the 2JZ engine swap from the Toyota Supra. Let's have a closer look what's being changed from the exterior. This is the proof that it's got a 2JZ inside it.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all.